Two people can use the same AI tool. One skyrockets and others stay stuck. The difference isn't intelligence. Here are the most powerful personality traits that silently decide your trajectory and shape your destiny in this AI era. Trait 1. Adaptability. In the past, success rewarded specialization. You learned one skill, you mastered it, you repeated it for decades, but that model is breaking. The skill that got you here won't be the skills that take you forward. In the age of AI, your most valuable skill is the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Instead of saying, "This is what I have always done," practice asking, "What should I learn next?" Adaptability isn't optional anymore. It's a new baseline for success. Trait 2. Curiosity. When people see AI, they usually react in one of two ways. Fear, "What if this replaces me?" or curiosity, "Okay, how does this actually work and how can it help me?" And the difference matters more than you think, because curiosity keeps you learning, fear keeps you frozen. If you want to win in this new era, don't panic. Stay curious, explore, play around, experiment freely, and slowly get ahead. Trait 3. Ever-learning mentality. The smartest person in the room doesn't always win. The fastest learner does. In this era, the people who win aren't the most talented. They are the ones who learn and move the fastest. So instead of mastering everything upfront, learn just enough to get started, apply it immediately, adjust based on what actually works. Stay agile. Trait 4. Focused attitude. You don't win by doing more. You win by doing effectively, efficiently, consistently. So don't chase every new app or system. More tools don't make you more productive. Protect your focus. Use fewer effective tools and master them deeply. Be intentional with where your attention goes. Schedule deep work for efficient outcomes. Your attention is your most valuable asset. Treat it like gold. Trait 5. Emotional mastery. AI increases speed. Speed increases pressure. Pressure exposes emotional weaknesses. If you can't regulate your emotions, you can't make good decisions. But when you learn to manage your internal state, everything shifts. And that's the real edge in the AI era. Stay calm, think clearly, move intentionally. The calmer you are, the clearer you see, and clarity wins in chaos. Trait 6. Creativity. AI is brilliant at producing content, but human can create meaning by integrating them. And that meaning comes from lived experience, from emotional understanding, from human connection. And that's something AI still can't touch. In the AI era, the real edge is synthesis. Data plus intuition, logic plus storytelling, AI output plus human judgment. When you blend intelligence with intuition, creation becomes magnificently soulful. Trait 7. Decisiveness. The AI era doesn't suffer from a lack of information. It suffers from too much of it. You have more data than ever before, more insights, more tools, more answers, but not more certainty. And that's a trap. Success in AI era isn't about knowing more. It's about filtering better. This is where decision making becomes your unfair advantage. Decide with courage. Trust your inner wisdom as a compass. Course correct without ego. Trait 8. Innovative thinking. AI is really good at copying patterns. It can generate answers in seconds, but there is one thing it still can't do well. It can't question assumptions. Humans can. AI follow rules. Humans ask, do these rules even make sense? So if you want to be relevant, don't just use tools. Learn how the game actually works. That's where first principles thinking comes in. First principles thinkers question assumptions. What truly matters here? What problem am I really solving? What are the building blocks? If I rebuilt this from scratch, what would I change? When you think this way, you use AI creatively, not mechanically. Avoid blind automation. Build system that actually works. And that's the real shift. You are not just playing the old game more efficiently, you are designing a new one. Trait 9. Self-awareness. AI amplifies who you already are. It amplifies your habit, magnifies your patterns. If you are scattered, AI makes you efficiently scattered. But if you are focused, it becomes a force multiplier. And that's when progress starts to feel effortless. And leverage starts with self-awareness. When you are self-aware, you know what you are great at, what your limits are, where AI helps, and where it shouldn't. You stop chasing every new tool and start choosing alignment. You then use technology on purpose to expand your capacity. The AI era isn't asking you to do more. It's asking you to be more aware of how you think, how quickly you adapt, how you respond when change shows up. Build an identity that can evolve with change. Stay relevant because AI won't decide your future. Your personality traits will.